My beloved child, are you wondering how to build a better life, step by step, alongside me? I hear the silent questions of your heart. I see the heavy burdens you carry and the days you feel completely overlooked, exhausted by the uncertainty of tomorrow. You look at the broken pieces of your journey and wonder how they will ever fit together. Hear my voice today, precious one. You are not forgotten, and together, we are going to rebuild your life. The first step to building this beautiful new life begins in the quiet. The world is so loud, constantly demanding your attention and rushing you forward. But profound, lasting change happens in the stillness of your private moments. Come to me in the silence. Sit with me. Lay your worries at my feet and let my presence be your foundation. If you are ready to find peace in the quiet today, declare this with me right now. I trust your peace. Do not despise this season of waiting as we lay the groundwork. You may feel like you are stuck in stagnation, but this is your divine preparation. Remember Noah, who faithfully built the ark step by step when there was not a single drop of rain. Think of David, who was anointed as king, but patiently returned to tend the sheep. Like Moses in the desert, your waiting is forging your strength. My timing is purposeful. If you believe my timing is better than your own, say aloud, I believe. Listen closely. You are standing on the very edge of a new beginning. The long winter of your soul is coming to an end, and a season of deep growth and clarity is finally breaking through. Every choice you make in faith, every quiet prayer whispered in the dark, is a brick laid in the foundation of your new life. I am laying down the stepping stones for your future, one by one. You do not need to see the whole staircase, my child. You only need to hold my hand and take the next step. Walk with me, my precious one. Build your life on my foundation, step by step, and no storm will ever wash it away. I am with you always. If you receive this message of new life today, seal it in your heart and say aloud, Amen.